Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash a check in PayPal using your mobile application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, on a side note, PayPal's cash a check feature is currently mainly available for users in the United States. So if you do not see the option inside the PayPal, that's because the feature may not be supported or rolled out in your country or region at this point in time. So in order to cash a check, open up PayPal. Then we want to go ahead and click onto menu. Then from menu, this is where we're going to have the option to cash in that check. So we want to go ahead and choose wallets under manage finances. Click onto wallet, scroll down, and then it's going to have the option here to cash a check. Now read and accept the terms. If it's your first time, then enter the check amount. Then from there, you want to take a clear photo. So front of the check and then back of the check with your signed with endorsement. Then submit the check for review and then choose how quickly you want the money. So in minutes, so this can be a fee usually applies, or in 10 days, which is typically no fee.